So today we will see Leetcode 1979, find greatest common divisor of array. So the question says, if I have an array, I have to calculate the smallest value in the array, the largest value in the array, and calculate the GCD of these two values. What is GCD? GCD is greatest common divisor. So if you know how to calculate how to get the smallest value, how to get the largest value, how to calculate the GCD, then it's a very easy question. You can try it yourself. Now I'll take this test case. So the smallest value in this array is 2. The largest value is 10. What is GCD? I have to calculate the GCD of 2 and 10. Now what is a GCD? Okay, I'll take another example. Suppose in a test case I get to calculate the GCD of 20 and 16. 20 and 16. So I have to write which numbers can divide these numbers. Okay, first I'll go with 16. What are the numbers that can divide 16? 16 can divide 16 itself. 8 can divide 16. 4 can divide 16. 2 can divide 16 and 1 can divide 16. In case of 20, 20 can be divided by itself. 10 can divide 20. 4 can divide 20. 5 can divide 20. And 2 and 1. So these are the numbers that can divide 20. Now I have to check which are the common divisor. 1 is common in both, 2 is common, 4 is common. Rest all are different. Now in these common, the largest value is 4. So the GCD of 20 and 16 is 4. This is the concept of GCD. Now let's go to the code directly because there is nothing such to explain in this. We have to follow whatever is said in the question as it is. So firstly we'll calculate the smallest value, the largest value through this loop, and then we'll calculate the GCD of small and large. This is known as the Euclidean method for calculating GCD. Okay, so the time complexity of calculating this GCD is big O of log of minimum of a comma b, and the time complexity of this loop is big O of n. Therefore the overall time complexity of this code is big O of n. Code will be available on pinned comment, and if you have any doubt you can ask